Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I'm going to start off a little bit of a somber one. I'm going to take a slow flyover to have a look at the pitch. I found out last night that Captain Corey had sailed his final voyage. And if no one knows what I'm going on about, it's a YouTube channel called Crack in the Box. I'll put his thing on the screen now. Sorry. Yeah, I'm a little bit sad about this. So Corey is Crack in the Box. Okay. He loves pirates. He loves everything about pirates. And he come to my attention a few months ago, when Johnny Depp had got involved with his plight. He wanted to get to 100,000 subscribers. So Johnny Depp got involved. And he sent him a PlayStation 5 and he gave him loads of exposure to get to his 100,000 subscribers, which he reached, and he was really happy about it. He got a silver plaque off YouTube. Then after that, he wanted to get to 500,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, he's passed away. I think he's either 11 or 12 years old. He was born with a serious heart defect, and he's been on palliative care for a couple of years. And a few days ago, he's passed away now, which is really sad. So I just want to pass because his mum was always on his channel with him, and she looks like a really nice woman. I just want to pass my condolences on to Corey's family, his mum, his dad and his sister. It's a really sad time for them. But you know what, they done the best he could for him, and he was a lovely little kid as well. So if they get to see this, then you know what, my sincerest condolences go to yourselves. Yeah, a little bit of a sad time. The reason why Johnny Depp got involved because Corey was into pirates. Johnny Depp was in Pirates of the Caribbean as Captain Jack Sparrow. And yeah, he got involved, and he was in touch, and he was doing FaceTimes with Corey and everything. It was brilliant to watch. So if you haven't seen it, check out his channel. There'll be a link in the description, and he's called Crack in the Box. Right, so got another little bit of a sunburn on a bit, but we'll have a look at the pitch first. Right, we're nearly done now. Look at this. Look at that. Never thought to see green grass at Anfield ever again. Now, I've had a chat to someone as well. Things are falling behind on the build because they took that cherry picker off the pitch too soon. Because obviously they needed to get the pitch laid, so they took it off too soon. Now everything needs to be done by the rope access lads. That's why it's slow going. Obviously, if you've got a cherry picker, it's a lot faster. You've got rope access, it's going to be a lot slower. Oh, they're starting to mow lines into the pitch now as well. I think my information is right off my man inside when he said that we'd be ready to play on within 5 days after being laid. Yeah, so the lines are going in. Can I get any grass getting laid? So wait that to start on the move. While I'm waiting for this to move as well, I want to give a mention to, I need to get his YouTube channel right. There'll be a picture on the screen anyway. Let's Have It Met TV. So he's done let's just follow this. Tractor. So Let's Have It Met TV, he's done a tribute to, he's a Millwall fan, and he's done a tribute to the Millwall owner who tragically died in a car crash in the United States on the 4th of July. That just fell off. Oh no. he tragically died in a car crash on the 4th of July, sorry. Just got sidetracked. I'm not going to say much about it. Let's Have It Met TV has done a tribute to him, so I'll put the link in the description. I'll put a picture of his channel on the page now so you know how to find him. Yeah, the chairman John Bellison, who tragically died in a car crash. My condolences goes out to all the Millwall fans out there that watch the channel, because as I know, get fans of different teams watching the channel. So yeah, it's tragic when someone, you know, someone close to the club dies.
Fly with caution. Fly with caution.
As soon as a manned aircraft close to me,
Fly with caution.
I'm just going to get out the way.
Fly with caution.
In seconds. I don't know what's going on. It says manned aircraft nearby on my screen. Never had that before. I'm going to bring my drone down a second.
Fly with caution.
You see, it's saying fly with caution. I don't know what that means. It says manned aircraft nearby. Right, I'm going to stay low here then for a bit. Have a look what's going on the outside. I'll check the guy in the cherry picker. So I have been reliably informed. I have a problem with that word, don't I? Reliably informed that these gaps in the back of the stands are for access. That's why they're not getting cladded up just yet. As you can see, they pass things in and out of there, and that's what they need it open for. I was just looking in the air going, oh yeah, there's something in the air there. It was my drone. Yeah. And aircraft, yeah, there's an aeroplane just above me, that's what it is. Okay. It's quite high, it's about 1,000 metres in the air, so it should be alright. A little scan around the back anyway. I don't know why, but I always gravitate to this corner. I don't know why. There's not much going on there apart from the brickies. That's a good looking wall, isn't it? Going up there. Yeah, that warning's gone off my screen now. But that plane's coming back. I know it's a different plane. Okay. So I'll have a look around the other side, then I'll get back over the pitch. What's going on here? Why's all that getting dug up? Oh, the plant trees. Okay. It's interesting. Yeah, there's another one there. So trees are getting planted. That'll look good. I like a bit of greenery. Yeah, so it must be the same as when you put them trees in down there. Okay. You know, if I was talking about something then and I've stopped talking about it, I apologise, because I've probably forgot what I was talking about. It happens a lot. There's a bit going on here. There's a lift and 2 cherry pickers. So more brickies there. And what's going on here? Obviously something to do with that fireproofing all the windows in it. There's a lot going on down here. Oh. Me thinking coat to people again. Yeah, so I was also told as well, around this side, work has kind of halted because they need to get the groundworks done as well, around here. I.e. the forever stones are going in. Let's see, so that another bench area getting sorted out there. That'll be one. Oh. Let me zoom out a touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one going there. Then the sixth one up in the corner. That's my assumption. And Paul Frost has just messaged asking if anyone's here. It's me, Paul. He said there's a large drone up. Yeah, it's me. It's mine. I can't see him in the car park. Hopefully he'll have a look around. So I'm going to get back over the pitch now. So this is going to be finished today, this. Oh, what was that driving off then? Was that a lawnmower getting taken off, was it? What's that down there? Lawnmower. Wheelbarrow. What's going on in my brain today? Right, we're going to come back over the back of the stands. Let me get a view of this so I can use it in my thumbnail. Yeah, look good once all the line's down now, and then we'll be done. Done for the pitch. But yeah, more talks of delays, guys, and you know what? It's unavoidable not to talk about it if people's going to mention it, especially people working on the site. They know more than me. Yeah, so everyone that's asking about the cladding in the back as well, it's going to be one of the last things to get finished because they need it for accessing into the back of the stands. Because they can't get any cherry pickers on the pitch now or nothing like that, so it's all got to be done from the back of the stands rather than inside the grounds. And once everything's inside, they can start cladding that back part up. God, I wouldn't like to be in that. I wouldn't trust them. Them cherry pickers. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Sorry it's a bit of a somber one, but yeah, condolences go out to all Millwall fans over the death of John Berylson, and also Captain Corey cracking the box. I watched all his videos. You know, he's a great little kid. His story is inspiring as well. When you listen to his mum do a bit about his story, yeah, it's very sad. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'll be back tomorrow to have a look at the completed pitch. All the grass will be down by then, and it'll all be completed. And yeah, it'll all look good. Right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It really helps me out, helps the channel out, helps us all out. It's completely free, as I always say. It's completely free to subscribe. I know it says subscribe, it doesn't mean you have to pay. It's completely free. Okay, likes help me channel reach other people, and comments are always appreciated. I always reply to comments. Apart from yesterday's video, I've been really busy. I've had loads of work to get done, so I haven't had a chance to I've read the comments, I just haven't had time to reply to them. It takes a few hours to do, but I will reply to them tonight and the ones on this video tonight. Okay, so As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.